Every household has a silent assassin, draining our lives with its invisible force. It's the battery, the unsung hero that powers our devices, but often takes a toll on our wallets. With millions of batteries discarded every year, the environmental impact is staggering. But what if you could extend the life of your batteries, reduce waste, and save money? Welcome to the world of quick DIY repairs and home fixes, where we'll unlock the secrets of battery care.
From alkaline to lithium-ion, we'll explore the differences and discover the best practices for maintenance.
Differences and discover the best world where you can revive dead practices for batteries, reuse old ones, and breathe new life into your devices. It's a world where technology meets sustainability, and we're about to take you on a journey to explore it. So, let's dive into the world of battery repair and discover the DIY secrets that will change the way you think about power. With the right tools and techniques, you'll be able to revive dead batteries, prolong their lifespan, and reduce waste. From desulfation to recharging, we'll cover the essential steps to keep your batteries in top condition. But first, let's talk about the myths surrounding battery repair and what you need to know to get started. Myth #1: all batteries are created equal. Reality: different types require different care. Myth #2: dead batteries can't be revived. Reality: with the right techniques, you can breathe new life into them. Myth #3: DIY battery repair is complicated. Reality: with the right tools and knowledge, it's a breeze. Now that we've debunked the myths, let's talk about the importance of battery maintenance. Proper care can extend the life of your batteries by up to 50%, reducing waste and saving you money. But what exactly happens when a battery dies, and how can you revive it? It starts with desulfation, a process that removes the buildup of sulfuric acid crystals on the battery plates. With the right equipment, you can desulfate your batteries, restoring their charge capacity and extending their lifespan. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that some batteries can be recharged hundreds of times? Yes, you heard that right. With the right techniques and equipment, you can revive old batteries and give them a new lease on life. But why is this so important? For centuries, humans have been searching for sustainable ways to power our devices. And it's not just about the environment. With the rise of renewable energy, battery efficiency has become a major concern. Imagine a world where your phone, laptop, and other devices can run on clean, sustainable energy. It's a world where technology meets sustainability, and we're on the cusp of a revolution. But to get there, we need to understand the basics of battery repair and maintenance. So, let's dive into the world of DIY battery repair, where we'll explore the essential tools and techniques you need to know. From desulfation to recharging, we'll cover the must-know steps to keep your batteries in top condition. And with the right knowledge, you'll be able to revive dead batteries, prolong their lifespan, and reduce waste. But don't just take our word for it. Let's talk to some experts in the field and see what they have to say.
According to battery expert John Smith, the key to successful battery repair is understanding the chemistry behind it.
And with the right equipment and knowledge, you can revive dead batteries and breathe new life into your devices. But what about the safety concerns? Can you really revive dead batteries, or is it a recipe for successful battery disaster? The answer is yes. With the right techniques and equipment, you can revive dead batteries and prolong their lifespan. But safety first. Make sure you follow the proper procedures and use the right equipment to avoid any risks. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the benefits of DIY battery repair. From saving money to reducing waste, the benefits are clear, and we're about to explore them in depth. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of DIY battery repair and discover the secrets of battery care. With the right knowledge and equipment, you'll be able to revive dead batteries, prolong their lifespan, and reduce waste. You can breathe new life into your devices and reduce waste. Remember, draining our lives with its invisible force. But with the right techniques and equipment, you can breathe new life into your devices and reduce waste. Welcome to the world of quick DIY repairs and home fixes, where we'll unlock the secrets of battery care. And don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and hit that like button If you enjoyed this video, want more mind-blowing facts, hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.